Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Viral. We are going to share a working method to enable and use the nearby sharing feature on the Android device. With this method, you can share files between devices. Step 1. First of all, pull down the notification panel and tap on the edit button. Step 2. Under the edit, you will find nearby share option. Simply tap on the button to turn it on. Step 3. Once done, you will see a prompt like below. Here, tap on the turn on button. Step 4. Once done, locate the file that you want to share and tap on the share button. Step 5. From the share menu, select the nearby share button. Step 6. It will now scan for the nearby device. Next, tap on the device name. The receiver will get a prompt. Ask them to tap on the accept button. Note: you can't share files unless you save the nearby user as your contact. So make sure to save the user as a contact on your device. Hope you like this tutorial. Do share it with your friends and make sure to subscribe for daily updates. Do not forget to press bell icon.